All right, what's up, guys? So today gonna be taking the car for a little ride to get some gas, um and then a quick car wash because she's pretty dirty. But yeah, so this is gonna be a little bit different video because it's gonna be a point of view, and let's just see how this looks like, because I bought what is that, a head strap for my old camera, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so my gas light is already on, but obviously it's still enough to do a pull, take a quick cruise, and then I'm gonna go cruise it to the car wash. But I'm just trying to get the hang of this, because having a GoPro strapped to your head and driving and dealing with the camera, I mean the phone to turn on and off, it is a little bit distracting while freaking driving. I don't know how people do this, but I'll try. And if I get too nervous, I'm just going to or not too nervous but too distracted, I'm just going to take the GoPro off and go about my business and record something else. But yeah, so let me hit the road. So yeah, so POV driving, man, and this thing is making my neck hurt already. I don't know how people drive like this, and there's people that like do full YouTube careers based off of POV. But yeah, like of their daily lives is vlogging, and it definitely takes a certain type of person to do this, to you know, the strength in their neck and their head of having this strapped. But yeah, and it's already the gas light, but it's all right. And I have a bunch of paint cans rattling in the back, dirty windshield. But yeah, so this is Koreatown, and yeah, bunch of homeless people. Obviously it's LA. If you're in LA, you already know the whole issue. So I'm gonna go down to Alvarado and then go on to the on-ramp, do a pull, then the car wash. All right, so I just pulled here real quick just to check my license plate. All right. I hate small little parking spots like this, and especially I'm in the freaking ghetto. Oh shit. Hey. Huge pothole. Alright, so now I'm gonna go to the freeway, and plus my steering wheel is off because I was messing with the alignment, but I still gotta get the alignment done on this thing. I just haven't been driving it. But yeah, so yeah, also I think POV is kind of bad because I have these visors and I have the this banner right here. Well, it's not really a banner, it's just a strip of vinyl, and this thing's 8 inches, and yeah, it makes a car pretty dang dark. Probably not good for POV because you can't really see out. But yeah, so now I have all this traffic going all the way up this hill, which is pretty typical for this street. Yeah. Sorry, the car made a weird noise. Or maybe not. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it when I'm entering the freeway and going to the freaking and then going to the car wash. So yeah, and then after that would just be some gas, and I'm just gonna end it there. But this will be kind of a cool little test video to see the footage on YouTube, and yeah. Damn, my windshield's so dirty. Got the arrow, but everybody's blocking. Man, too much traffic. Shit. I can't really do anything right here. No pools or nothing. It's not even rush hour, and it's packed. It's crazy. Yeah, this is definitely not what I expected when I thought of a POV. The only reason why I have the camera, I mean the mirror twisted like that, it's because I don't want to see myself in the video. Kind of sucks when I see that on other people. Kind of sucked. Not really what I expected, but I wanted to do like a hardcore pull going in. That's how I usually enter freeways, because people don't like to let you in. So when you just get in like a boss, that's like the way you have to do it in LA, or else people will just walk all over you. That's what I noticed when I was driving, coming up driving, man, like getting on freeways, it'll literally be a lane that's like merging into this one, or else you're just gonna hit a wall and nobody will let you in. And so it's either slam on the brakes or hit the wall or hit them. They will not let you in. So I just learned that you have to be aggressive with people, and when people are aggressive with me, I completely understand that. Because sometimes, you know, I'm not even paying attention when this person's trying to merge in, but most of the time I let people in the lane. Oh, Integra. Look at that. That's sweet. That's actually not a bad color, silver. I prefer the silver Integra over the silver RSX. That looks freaking sweet. damn, I missed that car, but it's super depressing having to invest all that money and time into that car, just to have it, you know, wrecked and parted out. But that's the name of the game, you know. When you daily drive, you know, like a little bit desirable car, shit happens. But I think it's more depressing the fact that the time that was put into it, it's not really the money, because if you have, you know, a $4,000 car with a $6,000 budget, you can build the car literally in 2 months. I could have built that car in 2 months if I would have invested everything fast. But it was a time that was put into it. That, you know, you can't get back, and wasted time is way worse than wasted money. But yeah. And actually, this place is so packed, I'm not even going to dry off right here. The hell with that. I'm just going to end up giving it a quick wash and then just leaving out of here. If it water spots, it water spots. But yeah. Here's a spot. Maybe I could snag this one if someone doesn't jack it. Alright, it's good. I gotta wash the rag. That thing's filthy. And then, even then, you risk, you know, watermark and streaks and dirt all over the windows, which sucks. Alright, so that's as nice as I can get it right now. Looks pretty good. But yeah. Alright, so the app is not really working that well. And yeah, I don't really know how it looks, so yeah. Alright, it's kind of steep. Okay, it's good. No scraping. Oh, a nice Subaru. That's sweet. Those things go. Definitely go. I mean, high horsepower before they blow up, but they go. I've witnessed those things. Alright, so let me go get some gas and then I'm done with this video. Alright guys, so I didn't want to bore you guys with that stupid gas, but yeah, so there she is right there. Dang, somebody just got in a accident. I heard that one. But yeah, so that was a little POV action. Here's some water spots. You could kind of see it, but on a black car, you already know water spots are your worst enemy. So I'm kind of glad that the car is not black, because I was always punching the air trying to you know, prevent that. There she is right here. I still got to do the body work, I mean the paint, but he's gonna help me out. And yeah, there she is. All right guys, so that's gonna be a little video. If you like the little different format, please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Just take my hand, don't let us come undone. You may not see the glow, but I see it shine. Keep holding on, cause we're too far from done. And I know you go.